Hey guys, have you been to the Universal City Walk in Orlando, Florida, USA? Now, let's bring this home to Nigeria in West Africa. In a bold stride towards redefining urban sophistication in Abuja, Nigeria's capital city, the Federal Capital Territory Administration has signed an almost $2 billion memorandum of understanding with a private investor to develop a Dubai-style city walk project here in the city of Abuja. Spanning over 200 hectares, this visionary project promises to deliver an integrated lifestyle and leisure destination that mirrors the globally acclaimed city walk in Dubai, setting a new benchmark for urban design and public-private collaboration in Africa. The City Walk project in Dubai is renowned for its pedestrian-friendly boulevards, boutique outlets, culinary haven, and immersive art spaces, all designed to enhance community living. City Walk Abuja is built on 5 major pillars: business, lifestyle, innovation, culture, and community. The Minister of FCT, in person of Nyesom Wike, said that this land was originally earmarked for the Abuja Technology Village here in Piakasa along the airport road, but has remained dormant in the last 2 decades. Nyesom Wike further said that this time around, there will be clear timelines and performance clauses to ensure project delivery. He didn't forget to warn that failure to meet the agreed milestones could result in the revocation of the allocated land. The first phase of this project is scheduled to be completed by May of 2026. Kasim Gidado, who is the Executive Director of MAG International Links Limited, says that the Abuja version of City Walk would not merely replicate the Dubai model, but would offer a unique interpretation that blends global design standards with Nigeria's cultural identity. When completed, the City Walk project in Abuja is expected to attract foreign and local investments. It's also expected to create thousands of employment opportunities. It's also expected to stimulate the creative, cultural, and retail economies. It is also expected to serve as a magnet for affluent residents, tourists, and investors. This $1.8 billion mixed-use development features residential areas, the tallest tower in Africa. Yes, you heard that right. This project is going to contain a 450 meters tower, which will be the first tallest building here in Africa, and it's going to contain Nigeria's largest indoor area. Let's examine why this spot takes the center stage. Building this by the Technology Village along the airport road is a massive chess move. Why do I say this? Because it sits right between the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport and the Central Business District. It is designed to be the very first thing international investors, tourists, and diplomats would see as they drive into the capital city. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let's face our realities. Nigeria is full of grand gestures, 3D animations of future cities that never get past the foundation stage. Talking about the Centenary City, we saw similar experience, and up until today, Centenary City has remained unattended to. But here is why I think this one might actually have some legs, because the FCT minister is involved. Everyone knows who Nyesom Wike is, and when he says something, he actually means it. He talked about clear timelines and performance clauses. And so, if this project is not delivered as at when due, there would be revocation. So, let's be hopeful and fingers crossed. Hopefully, this project will see the light of the day. We all believe in the project and we want to see the project come to reality. Kindly tap on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I post a video. Abuja is ready to walk into the future, and the world is watching. I would love to read your thoughts as always. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more insightful videos about evolving African cities. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. See you soon.